to Kokni physics. Straight away start kariya. Electric potential at a point due to dipole. Okay, electrostatic potential and capacitance lesson ache. Mache म्हणले derivation. So mache lengthy astale, bore जावप ना. Let us start. So dipole, you know what is a dipole? Dipole घेतलो, yes. Minus q plus q, एकूच type charge, equal and opposite charge, separated by distance. आम्ही distance consider करूया 2a. Distance is 2a. हांगा एक point धरपाचो. Say p at this point. P point. This is a midpoint. O घेऊया, or A and B घेऊया. Okay, so आमचो dipole radius P is at a distance r from midpoint. So हांगाचो distance घेऊया x1 and this is x2. These are all temporary. They only temporary घेता, only for calculation purpose. Finally, the formula will come in the form of r. So this is the setup. हे सगळे मागीर consider a dipole at a distance r. हे सगळे तुम्ही बरोवपा पडटले. All the requirements of proper derivations. हांव straight away start करता. So let us consider V, the potential at P due to A, right? V at P due to A. What is V? Potential formula KQ by R. So in this case it is minus, Q is negative. So it will be minus KQ by X1, X1. Right? What is V at P due to B? Potential at a point due to a charge is given by this formula. Formula ko parasपर है KQ by R. Q is the charge. Plus ale plus, minus ale minus. Anga minus asa minus gatle. Anga plus asa. So this will be KQ by X2, right? Next, V net. Anga net potential due to this charge as well as due to this charge. Net potential. So to add करचे पडटले. So V net will be दोन्ही add करूया. So that becomes KQ into 1 upon x2 minus 1 upon x1. Right? So दोन्ही add केले अशें जातले. Just adding. आता आमकां जाय 1 upon x2 कितें 1 upon x1 कितें तो रिप्लेस करून पळोवया कितें जातलें. So we get आता पळोवया x2 हांव straight away बरयता x2 square is equal to r square plus a square minus 2ra cos theta. The theta is this angle, okay? Or theta angle. आम्ही बरयला फॉर्मुला x2 square is equal to r square plus a square minus 2ra cos theta. आता हो आयलो खंयच्यान डिरायव करूया मातसो म्हणजे तुमकां कळटलें याद आनी धरपाची गरज ना कशें तें सांगता ट्रिक सांगता एक्चुअली इन द डेरिवेशन प्रोसेस बरोवपाची गरज ना आय जस्ट टेक यू टू द डिटेल्स पळोवया जस्ट कम टू हो पार्ट जस्ट फॉर एक्सप्लेनेशन पर्पज ओके हो ट्रायंगल हांगा रेप्लिकेट केलो यू गेट पी ओ B. This distance we know is A. हांगाच्यान हांगा is A and total is 2A, right? So आम्ही A घेतलो. हांगाच्यान एक perpendicular काडपाचो. See this is B and this will be A minus B, right? This is B जाला हो A minus B because the larger distance is A. Oh, एक C धरया. We know this is R, this is x2. हो triangle आम्ही हांगा copy केला, right? So हांगा कितें जातलें पळया C square is equal to R square minus B square. Pythagoras is equal to x2 square minus A minus B the whole square. Right? Because OB, O आम्ही धरला न्ही. Okay, we don't require. This side is A minus B. This is C. So Pythagoras again, this side, this side. See, cancel kariya. We are equating both sides. Oh, temporary dalla just for equating the both sides. So this becomes r square minus b square is equal to x square minus open kala bracket. Then you get a square. Sign opposite जातले काय minus आम्ही already घातला भितर जाल्यार कितें जातले plus 2ab minus b square, right? b square, right? Already open केला आणि sign घातले shortcut. minus b cancel, b square minus b square cancel. कितें उरलें पळय हेंच उरलें. So you get x2 square, this is x2 square is equal to r square plus a square minus 2ab, right? 2ab, sorry. Now b replace करचो पडटलो. b कितें b is this is theta. Theta धरला. b is r cos theta. Because cos theta is b upon r, so b is r cos theta. सो हांगा रिप्लेस करपाचो. सो यू गेट r square plus a square minus 2ar cos theta, right? So this is exactly what is come. x2 square is this. R square plus a square minus 2ab r cos theta, right? So I will just wipe it. हे सगळे करपाची गरज ना, जस्ट काढून दाखयला कित्याक आयलो तो. सो वी नो वॉट इज x2 स्क्वेअर. आमकां कितें जाय, x हांगाच्यान एक काम करपाचें, r स्क्वेअर कॉमन काडचो पडलो. सो काडपाक जाय जाल्यार वॉट यू गेट हियर 1 प्लस a स्क्वेअर अपॉन r स्क्वेअर मायनस 2a cos theta अपॉन r. r स्क्वेअर कॉमन काडलो न्ही, कॉमन घेतलो समज जाल्यार दिस इज वॉट यू गेट. सिंपल अल्जेब्रा, नथिंग टू वरी. कांयच कठीण ना. मातशें कळना जाल्यार पॉज करा, बारीक पळयात, परत चालू करात. कळटलें? सो अज्यूम a इज स्मॉल एज कंपेर्ड टू r. a म्हणजे कितें, डिस्टन्स. 2a वॉट एवर इट इज, द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द टू पोल्स इज स्मॉल एज कंपेर्ड टू द डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ कन्सिडरेशन. जाल्यार माय डस्टर, ओके फायन. So if a is small as compared to r, then a square will be very very small as compared to r. Obviously, it's quite obvious. Example, the a समज तुम्ही घेतलो 0.01, a square will be 0.0001, right? So square will be still smaller. So that by that logic, it will be very small as compared to r. So we can consider, therefore we can say a square upon r square is almost equal to 0. So we can discard. मधलो एक टर्मच गेलो. We assume that this is almost equal to 0. जाल्यार x2 square कितलो आलो is equal to r square into 1 minus 2 cos theta r, right? So आमी तो उडयलो कारण we have considered a is small, so a square is very small. So that takes care of the middle term. Gone. Next. We are still interested in 1 upon x2. So 1 upon x2 करिया. 1 upon x2 is equal to 1 upon r. 1 upon r into 1 minus 2a cos theta upon r raised to minus half. हे कशें आयलें? सिंपल अल्जेब्रा. नवेचे मॅथ्स आनी नवेचे न्ही, 12थचेच, पूण नॉट सो डिफिकल्ट. सिंपल अल्जेब्रा. ओके. हांगा आमी यूज करपाचो बायनॉमियल थियरम, BT. because a plus b raised to n आयलो न्ही. सो करूया. बायनॉमियल थियरम फॉर्मुला सांगता, जस्ट इन केस यू वॉन्ट टू 1 upon 1 plus x धरया, so that it matches our consideration. So n raised to n would be equal to nc0 1 raised to n x raised to 0 plus nc1 1 raised to n minus 1 x raised to 1 plus nc2 1 raised to n minus 2 x raised to 2 plus so on. This is a binomial theorem. तुमकां खबर आसपा जाय, combination, right? So this gives me, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. nc0 is 1, okay. This is also 1. 1 raised to n is also 1. Anything raised to 0 is also 1. So this is 1 plus nc1 is n. काढले n factorial upon 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. It is n. So this becomes n. x raised to 1. ते आणि काढून दाखयना. You refer your binomials. 11वेचे math strong करपा जाय. Plus this will be n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial, all that thing into x square, and so on. All these things will come. If you open it, you will come to know what you get. अशें येतलें. So हांगा पळय कितें जाता, आमी आतां x म्हणला तो हो धरला -2a cos theta upon r, and n धरला -1 upon 2. एक्झॅक्ट रेप्लिका बरोवया. आतां हो कितें करतलो, this will change according to binomial न्ही. Let us do that. So straight away हांगा घेया 1 upon x2 घेया. 1 upon x2 is equal to 1 upon r into, हांगा चेंज केलो न्ही, 1 plus n is what, -1 upon 2, -1 upon 2. X is what, -2a cos theta upon r, -2a cos theta upon r plus, now हांगा कितें आसा, x square आसा. x square म्हणजे कितें, हो जो टर्म आसा न्ही, हो टर्म स्क्वेअर जातलो. हो स्क्वेअर जावप म्हणजे a जो स्क्वेअर जावप, a also square जावप. And we have assumed that a square upon anything is almost equal to 0 because a square is very small. So by that logic, this will be almost 0. So we are not considering the third term. So we are discarding the third term, we end with the second term. Clear? परत सांगता, हो टर्म आसा न्ही, x square जालो जाल्यार this will be squared. स्क्वेअर जावप म्हणजे a square जालो. a square न्युमरेटराचेर a square आमी ऑलरेडी 0 कन्सिडर केला. बाय दॅट लॉजिक तिसरो टर्म विल बी व्हेरी व्हेरी निग्लिजिबल, सो घेवपाचो ना 0. ओके, सो either you write it or you can just leave like that, doesn't matter. So this gives you equal to 1 upon r into 1. Okay, 2 cancel jata, minus minus plus jata. So this gives is 1 plus a cos theta upon r. Okay, I hope hanga parent tumka kala astale. So हे झाले 1 upon x2. Let us see what is 1 upon x1. Similarly, हे आणि तुम्ही सेपरेट करपाची गरज ना, यू जस्ट राइट इट एज a cos theta upon r. आता अगेन हे तुमकां हांव सांगपाक हो ट्रायंगल म्हाका घेवचो पडटलो आनी करचें पडटलें ऑल ब्ला ब्ला, बट नॉट निडेड. दिस इज ऑल. यू कॅन जस्ट से दिस इज प्लस, दिस इज मायनस, दॅट्स ऑल. आता पळय, वी वॉन्ट वी नेट, रायट? डायरेक्ट वी नेट पळोवया कितें जाता. वी नेट इज इक्वल टू k q इंटू 1 upon x2. हो पळय, 1 upon x2, 1 upon r, 1 plus a cos theta upon r minus 1 upon r. Okay, common there, no problem. 1 minus, okay, what the x1, right? 1 upon x2 minus 1 upon x1. So minus 1 minus a cos theta upon r. So that gives us, or r common kaadiya, so that becomes kq by r. 1 into 1 was 1 plus a cos theta minus 1 minus, okay, r ullangani, minus 1 plus, minus into minus plus, a cos theta upon r. ओके, हे कळपाक व्हडलें डिफिकल्ट न्ही. जस्ट ओपन केल्यार सगळें कळटलें, कांय डिफिकल्ट ना. मातशें पॉज केल्यार सगळें कळटलें तुमकां. पळयात, बारीक ऑब्जर्व केल्यार कळटलें. सो 1 1 गेलो. सो दिस गिव्स मी हो जालो a cos theta upon r, a cos theta upon r, 2a cos theta upon r, 2 पयलींच घालया. सो दॅट बिकम्स 2qa, or I say 2a qk cos theta upon हो r आणि हो r, that becomes r square. कसो आयलो, कितें आयलो? नो मॅजिक, सारकें येता, करेक्ट येतलो. सॉल्व सारकें सिस्टमॅटीक कर जाल्यार ऑटोमॅटीक जाग्यार पडटलें. एवरीथिंग विल फॉल इन टू प्लेस. थिटा पळय, हो लक्षांत घ्या, थिटा इज दिस एंगल. What angle the what is that distance, the the distance that makes the vector, you can say, that makes with the dipole. Okay, fine. So this is theta. So what is 2aq? 2aq, you know 2aq is dipole moment. हांगा डायरेक्ट रिप्लेस करपाचो kp cos theta upon r square. So this is what we get for v net. kp cos theta upon r square. परत बरयता, v net is equal to kp cos theta upon r square. So आमकां मेळटा the total potential at this point due to the combination of these two charges is this. म्हणजे आता हो potential is dependent on the charges also. म्हणजे dipole moment depends on the distance also. It depends on a also, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the midpoint and the point, right? So it is inversely. हे आता जालें एक derivation. Just if you consider this point to be along the axis, theta will be equal to 0, right? Along the axis get जाल्यार theta also हांगा येवन उरतलो. So theta will be 0. When theta is 0, cos 0 कितलो? 1. So that gives us, therefore v net is equal to kp upon r square. How v net you get at a point along the axis of the dipole. ह्या साइडीन, आणि ते साइडीन असलो जाल्यार it will be minus kp upon r square. Because कितें? theta हांगा सपोज हो पॉइंट समज हांगा पावलो जाल्यार theta will become 180, right? And cos of 180 is what? -1. म्हणटकीर हे मायनस जातलें. So it will be minus kp upon r square. Along the axis, either this or this. What is along the equatorial plane or perpendicular bisector? Along the equatorial plane. Hanga theta will be 90, right? So v net kitla astalo? 0. Cos of 90 is 0. So v net will be 0, obviously. सो अलॉंग द इवन आमकां अदरवायज सुद्दां हांगा पयला कळटा न्ही इक्विटोरियल प्लेनाचेर x2 आनी x1 इक्वल आसतलो. when x2 and x1 will be equal, v net will be 0. कळ्ळें कळ्ळें. इफ हो जर पॉयंट हांगा आसलो अलॉंग दीस लायन जाल्यार x1 आनी x2 इक्वल आसपाचे. x1 आनी x2 जर इक्वल आसत जाल्यार हे दोनूय कॅन्सल आउट जातले आनी अल्टिमेटली वी गेट v net 0 आनी हांगा इट कम्स 0 आयदर वेज. So that will be the equipotential surface where the potential is almost, it will be 0 along the equatorial plane. Okay, so this is the derivation. This is where we end. Okay, fine. I hope you understood. Kiran difficulty asla or phone number call karpacho. Thank you.